Welcome to a day in my life. I'm exhausted. I didn't get any sleep, so that was great. And I ran out of coffee, so that means I'm just gonna make myself a tea for today. So today I plan on getting my car washed. That's one. That's a must right now because holy crap, I'm looking at my car right now and it is disgusting. Like I can't even remember the last time I took it to a car wash, to be honest. Dad, if you're seeing this, it's okay. It's okay. Then I'm gonna have lunch with my girlfriend and we're gonna get acai bowls, so that should be good. And then I also want to go to Ross because in our bathroom we have like cleaning supplies like next to like the toilet, and I just think it looks like messy, and I don't know, I just feel like organizing, so I'm gonna get like this like wicker like basket organizing thing. You'll see what I'm talking about later on, but I think it'll look cute. I mean, hopefully it'll look cute, and hopefully it fits, because I'm just kind of like eyeballing it, hoping that it fits, but we'll see. I don't know. Okay, this is what I was talking about, how there's just like a ton of stuff in this corner and it just looks like messy. So hopefully I can organize that today, but we'll see. I don't think I'm gonna do my hair. I'm just gonna keep it natural. I don't even know what this is. Like I used to have naturally like pin straight hair, but now when I like air dry it, it like is like this weird wavy texture. I wouldn't even call it wavy. I just feel like it's, I don't know what it is. And then I also don't feel like wearing makeup today, but I'm just like, oh, maybe I should, because like I don't ever wear makeup, so I'm like, and I don't ever go out, so those two combined, I'm like, maybe I just should wear something a little bit. I don't know, get done up for once, you know. Okay, so this is how the makeup came out, just very glowy, very natural. But now it is time to pick out the outfit. Like, can it just be fall already? Because I am sick of wearing summer clothes already. So okay, this is the top that I'm wearing. It's like a baby doll top. This is from Ross, I think, but I haven't worn this in a while. I remember why I haven't worn this in a while, because this top I feel like is weirdly shaped. I don't know how to explain it. Like this bra like was the last resort. Like I couldn't find any other bra that could like go with this top. So if my bra shows a little, I mean, that's fine. It's whatever. And it's kind of itchy, low-key. This material is kind of itchy, but whatever. This is the perfume I'm gonna be using today. This is Pistachio Please by Finery. It smells so good. Oh my god. Some deodorant. Maybe I should brush my hair. Yeah. Okay, so this is the whole fit. Again, this top, Abercrombie jeans, and my white Dr. Scholl shoes. Did you guys see my car? Because it is disgusting. Like literally, it's low-key embarrassing. So we're gonna go clean my car and then I'm gonna go have lunch with my girlfriend. Okay, tell me why I just paid $11 for a car wash Like, what happened to them being like $5, even $8, but $11 for it to not even like really like scrub my car down? Like, I see my girlfriend. Wait. I see her. Okay, so I just got home and that last clip was my car after the car wash. And it still looks like shit. So that was a waste of money. A waste of $11, might I add. I would have been fine if it was like $5 or $8. $11. That was the cheapest one. Okay. Me and my girlfriend went to Ross and we got this, like, the organizer that I was telling you about. Looks like this. It was pretty cheap. It was $24.99. I'm gonna organize the bathroom now. Again, this is what we're working with. Literally what we're working with. It's not cute, but hopefully that fits in this corner right here. If not, then I guess we'll see. I knew it! Oh my god. You know, I told my girlfriend, I was like, I don't think it's gonna fit. Like, I think it's too, like, wide. And I was right. Like, can we just... Now I don't know what to do. Okay, how do we like this layout? So I have this, like, cart thing right here. The trash cans moved here. It used to be right there. And then we have the toilet roll thing. And then I put it, like, right there. I don't know if I like that. I don't know. I just don't like this layout. That would have been so good if it went, like, right there, you know? Okay, I think I'm gonna end it here. Sucks that the organizer thing didn't fit, but I guess I'm just gonna have to find a smaller one to, like, fit in that weird corner. But yeah, I'm gonna take a nap because I'm tired and I have a headache. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.